friends, this is Neha Junsu. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing Holika Holika Devil's Plumper. I bought this set but unfortunately only one of it came. So, Hellgate Matte Primer has semi-matte black packaging inspired by Hell. The product claims that it is fitted with the Maxi Volume Complex, complete with oils derived from argan, almond and avocado for instant moisture and plumpness. Apply the Hellgate Primer with its flat tip applicator to improve longevity of your lip makeup. Pain level is 60%. The text on it is very Kat Von D style. It requires little strength to pull out the applicator. The applicator is a doe foot applicator with silicone base and cushiony tip. It has a weird chemically smell. The tip is flexible. Product itself is very thick like Vaseline. I have uneven tweety lips that are just like a bird's beak. So I really need it. The primer is being applied smoothly. I don't feel anything up till now, but I'm super excited to feel it. Okay, my lips have started burning. Oh. It got into my mouth, my tongue is burning. Let's complete the top lip fast. My lower lip is on fire already. Sorry for the fan, but currently I'm feeling this tingling sensation on my lips. It's not very hardcore, like I can bear the pain. But it's like I have had lots of spicy food. Just like the spice hits your lips, it's just like that. Nothing special, maybe because I'm desi. Like we eat a lot of spice, right? So it's bearable. Okay, now it's hurting a little bit more. Nothing special. You can see that it made my lips sticky. Okay. Just because I was doing this, it went into my mouth again, and I tell you, it's not a good feeling. My throat burns. It's hurting more now. Okay, now it's hurting a lot. But I can bear it. Like, I feel like lots of needles are being stuck on my lips. I can't even talk. It's bearable. Okay, it hurts a lot. For a second or two, it hurts a lot, but then it just goes back to normal hurting or normal pain. Okay, you guys be the judge. Do you guys think that it's getting bigger? It's hurting inside the flesh of my lips, not on lips. What? So after 5 minutes, you guys can see that my lips are red and the outline of my upper lip is so red. My lips are still on fire. After every few seconds, the pain inside my lips is so bad, but then it goes down a bit. To be honest, I'm loving the results. I haven't seen better results with any other product ever. Now I'm going to apply a matte lip tint. Yay! It makes my lips matte and plump. I'm so happy. It even smooths lip wrinkles. After 20 minutes, I'm still feeling tingling sensation, but it's very little. After 1 hour, I still feel the tingling sensation every 5 to 10 minutes and my lips feel plumped. I must say that this product is great. It plumps and mattifies lips, it smooths lip wrinkles. The results of primer isn't much visible, but there is still a difference. The only downside is that you can be, it can go in your mouth and it just burns your throat. I don't mind the pain. I will rate it 5 by 5 and it's going to be my holy grail now. This is Neha Junsu signing off. Bye.